Hello, this is Aline from MasterYourWeb. You're watching HTML tutorial for absolute beginners, and in this video we will be talking about lists. So let's begin. Alright, so I think that all of us know that a list is nothing but a collection of elements. And in HTML we have basically two types of lists. We have the unordered lists, and then we have the ordered lists. So an ordered list looks something like this. Let's say that we would like to buy some food. So we could have on our list 1 something like milk, then 2 we could have like butter, 3 we can have salmon, and 4 bread. Okay, this is gonna be our ordered list. Next, we have the unordered list, which basically don't have any order set up. And if we were to translate the above list onto the unordered list, we will have something like milk. Then we will have butter, salmon, and bread. Alright, that's gonna be more or less our unordered list. Alright, so let's actually look how our lists are gonna behave in the code. And for that, we will erase that, and we will create our first ordered list tag. So for that, we will write OL from ordered list, and inside that, we will open another tag called LI from list element. And for every element in that list, we will create another LI tag. So the first one is gonna be bread. The second one is gonna be milk. The third one is gonna be butter, and then we will have salmon. I'm pretty sure I've changed the order, but yeah, you get the point. So let's actually save it and look in the browser. Alright, so you can see that we have like 1 for bread, 2 for milk, 3 butter, and 4 salmon, right? That's gonna be the ordered list. Let's try to create another list, which is gonna be this time unordered. So for that, we will write UL from unordered list. And then we will basically create another tag for the li, for the list element. The li tag is gonna be the same both for the unordered list and also for the ordered lists. Alright, so inside here we will write bread, and I'm just gonna copy the other ones since as I mentioned, the syntax is gonna be the same. Alright, so let's actually look at the changes. Yeah, so we have our ordered list here, and then we will have our unordered list. So that's it basically when it comes to the lists. Now for our exercise, I would like you to print the following text that's gonna appear on the screen in the same way. So we will pretend to have another shopping list, but with 2 ingredients, which is gonna be milk and chocolate. And I've also included some types of milk and chocolate that we would prefer. Alright, good luck with the exercise, and we'll see each other in about 15 seconds. Alright, welcome back. So let's solve our exercise. Let's actually delete this. Alright, so the first part of the exercise was to display an ordered list consisting of milk and chocolate. So let's actually do that. So we will write the OL from ordered list. Then we will create an LI, milk, and LI, chocolate. Alright, so that's gonna be our first point. The second point that we have to do is basically inside that milk, we need to have an unordered list. Alright, so how do we do that? We actually press an enter and another one so that the text is going to be more clear. And over here we will create an unordered list, alright, which is going to be consisting of whole milk, soy milk for instance, and then we have almond milk. Alright, and we will do the same for the chocolate. UL, we will write white, dark, and bittersweet. Alright, let's try to save it, and boom! Okay, I totally forgot to add the allies over here. Well, let's quickly add those. Okie dokie. And we will do the same for the other elements.
One eternity later.
Alright, so let's actually see again. Great, that's basically the structure that we wanted in the first place. So that was all related to the lists. It was a really short tutorial, but I think that you got the idea about the types of lists and how to work with them. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the content and if you consider that it's at least 1% relevant, then please leave a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll see you on the next one.